Every day, roads become the stage for life-changing moments, some tragic, others miraculous. These 8 shocking dashcam stories reveal the dangers of reckless driving. Watch closely, learn from their mistakes, and remember, 1 second of carelessness can cost a lifetime of regret. Number 2, a split-second mistake. In the second clip, Hiroshi Takeda sat patiently at the intersection, his foot resting on the brake as he waited for the signal to turn green. The morning traffic moved in its usual rhythm until chaos shattered the calm. From his left, a white car sped through the red light, its driver completely ignoring the signal. At that very moment, a red Jeep from the opposite direction thundered forward, following its rightful green light. The Jeep's front bumper smashed into the rear of the white car, sending it spinning uncontrollably. The trunk crumpled open as the car skidded several meters across the intersection before finally coming to a stop. Hiroshi is stunned. Traffic signals exist to prevent tragedies. Running a red light might save you seconds, but it can cost you your life. Always stop, because one reckless move can change everything. Number 3, reckless U-turn. At the third clip, in Changhua City, Wei Han, a 42-year-old businessman, was driving his black sedan down Jingdao Avenue when disaster struck. A black hatchback ahead attempted a sudden U-turn around a median barrier without checking for oncoming traffic. Wei Han, traveling at high speed, had no time to react. His sedan crashed into the front bumper of the turning car with a loud impact. The force of the collision pushed the hatchback several meters forward, while Wei Han's sedan lurched violently, its front bumper scraping the asphalt before coming to a stop. Smoke rose from the wreckage, and the front end was completely destroyed. This accident highlights the dangers of careless U-turns and speeding. Drivers must always check for oncoming traffic before making a turn. Speeding reduces reaction time, making accidents more severe. Following traffic rules can prevent such dangerous crashes. Number 4, a split-second hesitation, a double impact. At the fourth clip, on a lively night in Hualong City, Jin Hao cruised down the highway, music thumping, speed slightly above the limit. Suddenly, a white car noticed a police vehicle and made an abrupt turn. Jin Hao panicked. Should he brake or swerve? His hesitation cost him. His car clipped the police vehicle with a soft thud, nudging him into another lane. Before he could react, a speeding car slammed into him with brutal force. Metal crunched, his car spun slightly before coming to a halt, badly damaged. The police car, still mid-turn, suffered only minor dents. This crash proves that hesitation can be as dangerous as reckless driving. Quick decisions matter on the road. Instead of panicking, staying alert and reacting smoothly can prevent disastrous chain collisions. Number 5, red light recklessness. At the fifth clip, at Xiangbei Junction, traffic moved smoothly under the signal lights. Wei Jun sat in his gray sedan, waiting for the green. As the light changed, he eased forward. From the right, a white car came speeding, trying to beat the signal before it turned red. It raced into the intersection just as the light switched. Wei Jun had no time to react. The white car crashed into his front, shattering the hood. His sedan jolted to a stop at the impact point. Meanwhile, the reckless car spun out of control, veering straight toward a concrete post. With a thunderous crash, it smashed into the post. A cloud of dust filled the air as concrete fragments scattered across the road. The car, now unrecognizable, lay in ruins at the base of the shattered post. Impatience behind the wheel leads to irreversible destruction. No shortcut is worth the risk when a single mistake can turn everything to dust. Number 6, chaos on Hanwella Pass. At the sixth clip, the misty hills of Hanwella Pass stretched ahead as Dylan Pereira drove peacefully down the winding road. The crisp morning air and the quiet countryside made for a relaxing drive. The road sloped downward for him, while the adjacent lane on his left climbed uphill for oncoming traffic. just before reaching a curve, a sudden violent motion caught his eye. A black car from the opposite lane lost control. It spun violently, flipping up and down multiple times, kicking up a thick cloud of dust. Within seconds, it veered off its lane and came crashing onto Dylan's road. Heart pounding, Dylan instinctively gripped the wheel as the black car skidded past him and smashed into the pavement on his right. Shaken, he slowed down. A chilling reminder: on the road, danger could come from anywhere, even before the next turn. Number 7. A rainy day disaster on Maple Ridge Road at the 7th clip. On a heavy rainy day, John Marshall drove cautiously down Maple Ridge Road, his wipers struggling to keep up with the downpour. The slick road made visibility poor, and John kept a moderate speed, aware of the danger. The highway was crowded with container trucks. As John approached a bend, a gray container truck on his left began overtaking a slower lorry. The truck sped up, not noticing the oncoming traffic. In a split second, the truck swerved into John's lane. He had no time to react. The collision with the massive container was brutal. His car was slammed with full force, the front crumpling, the side panels crushed, and the rear completely damaged. Every part of his car was affected, leaving it unrecognizable. Even when driving cautiously, others' reckless behavior can turn a safe drive into a disaster. Always stay alert, as accidents can happen in an instant. Number 8. A romantic trip turned tragic on Willow Creek Road. At the final one, it was a beautiful afternoon when Aidan and his wife Maya set off on a romantic drive down Willow Creek Road, excited for their getaway. They were relaxed, chatting and enjoying the scenery, without a care in the world. As they neared a crossroad, a black car approached from the side road, trying to make a sharp left turn. The driver, moving too fast and not paying enough attention, swerved directly into Aidan's lane. In an instant, the black car slammed into their car, the violent impact throwing them into a wild spin. Aidan's car was pushed into the opposite lane, crashing with terrifying force as metal twisted and glass exploded across the road. The quiet, peaceful day had shattered in a heartbeat. Never let your guard down, even on a seemingly calm drive. Inattention and speed can have devastating consequences. Every crash tells a story of choices, mistakes, and consequences. Don't let yours be a cautionary tale. Stay alert, drive smart, and respect the road. If this video opened your eyes, like, share, and subscribe. Together, we can make every journey safer for everyone.